Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI. To be fully ready for all of my exercise, I love having nice socks. The ones I was wearing were really quite worn out, and so I decided to go with these by GoWith socks. This is a complete box that comes with 6 pairs, and you can see that they are a low-cut sock. They're made of bamboo cotton, so they're really breathable and comfortable to wear. I really like them because they have the compression that goes around the foot, so they just have a nice grip and they feel like they stay on really well. When I wear them with sneakers, they're great because the back has this little lip, so I never have to worry about having any discomfort between my foot and the sneaker. I have this nice pair of socks to protect my feet. They don't slip around while you're wearing them, thanks to that compression as well. And I find that wearing them with my sneakers, my feet just stay nice and airy and not overly sweaty. And I definitely love wearing these. They're super comfortable. They come in a great variety of colors. This is the pink and black. You can see the orange and black. There's a yellow and purple, yellow and gray, and the yellow and white. The most important part is that they're really breathable, they're well made and comfortable, and they feel great when you're doing your exercise. And that's my point of view.